Each year, approximately 1 in every 1,000 people experiences DVT, with the risk increasing significantly for individuals over 60 or those with specific health conditions. The scariest part? Many people don't realize they have a clot until it's too late. That's why understanding the warning signs is so crucial. Today, we're uncovering 6 critical indicators of blood clots in the leg, signs that could potentially save your life or the life of someone you love. Whether you've been sitting for extended periods, traveling, or simply feeling off, being informed is your best defense against this silent killer. 1. Swelling in one leg. While swelling in the legs can happen for a variety of reasons, sudden swelling in one leg is a major red flag. When a clot forms in a vein, it blocks the normal flow of blood, creating pressure that forces fluid into the surrounding tissues. This results in noticeable puffiness and a heavy sensation in the affected leg. Unlike general swelling from prolonged sitting or minor injuries, clot-related swelling often develops quickly, sometimes within hours or days, and is usually limited to one leg. If you also notice redness, warmth, or pain along with the swelling, it's time to seek medical attention. 2. Pain or tenderness in the leg. This discomfort is often mistaken for a pulled muscle or general soreness, but there's an important difference. Pain from a clot typically doesn't improve with rest and can intensify over time. It may feel like a cramping sensation, particularly in the calf or thigh, and can worsen when walking or putting weight on the leg. If the pain becomes more pronounced with activity or feels different from usual muscle soreness, it's important to take it seriously and consult a healthcare provider. 3. Redness or discoloration. If you notice that one leg appears redder or darker than the other, it could be a sign of inflammation caused by a blocked vein. In some cases, the affected area may also feel warmer to the touch. A reaction to the body's attempt to heal itself. While skin redness can occur for various reasons, sudden or localized discoloration, especially when paired with swelling or pain, should not be ignored. 4. Increased warmth in the leg. This sensation occurs as the body increases blood flow to the site of a clot in an attempt to manage the blockage. It might feel like an unusual heat radiating from beneath the skin, separate from your usual body temperature. While infections can also cause localized warmth, they are typically accompanied by fever, chills, and widespread redness. If warmth in the leg is present along with swelling or tenderness, it could be a warning sign of a clot. 5. Prominent or bulging veins. If veins in one leg become more prominent, bulging, or twisted, it could be due to increased pressure caused by a clot. Just like a kink in a garden hose causes water to pool and distort the hose's shape, a clot can cause blood to back up, making veins appear more swollen or abnormal. While naturally visible veins aren't necessarily a concern, any sudden or unusual changes in their appearance, especially if accompanied by pain, should prompt a medical evaluation. 6. Shortness of breath. This is a serious symptom that may indicate a more dangerous complication, a pulmonary embolism. This occurs when a blood clot from the leg breaks loose and travels to the lungs, blocking blood flow. If you suddenly feel out of breath, experience a rapid heartbeat, or feel dizzy, seek immediate medical attention. Pulmonary embolisms can be life-threatening, and symptoms such as sharp chest pain when breathing deeply or coughing can further indicate a serious issue. Recognizing these warning signs of blood clots in the legs is crucial for safeguarding your health. While not every instance of swelling, pain, or fatigue signals a clot, it's always better to err on the side of caution. Your body has a way of alerting you when something isn't right, so if you experience any of these symptoms, especially in combination, don't ignore them. Seeking prompt medical care can be life-saving, helping prevent complications before they escalate.